Snowdrops are my first flowers of the season, and I hope to always have the first one for Christmas Day. There's something so life-enhancing about these delicate flowers that come no matter what the weather. And happily, they're a flower that loves living in the valley. Although later in the season I welcome all the brilliant colour. This delicate white and green. It's such a joy. This is going to be for a piece Snowdrops beside my river, the little waterfall crashing down. The river and the waterfalls are all in miniature here. These are very, very tiny river. Rather well suited to having snowdrops beside it. The scale is right. My use of light reflective fabrics, silks, satins, velvets, means that as the light falling on the collage changes, so do the tonal values within the artwork.